Moving cargo quickly and efficiently is the key to a successful port. Here in Southern California, at the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach, we're the largest international gateway for goods serving our communities and the entire United States is situated. That mission-critical goal is even more complex given the volumes of cargo. 40% of international containers into our nation comes through these two ports, where nearly half of the inbound cargo is transported by train to markets east of the Rocky Mountains. Getting this cargo from the docks to the transcontinental railroads east of downtown Los Angeles is the job of the Alameda Corridor. The corridor was developed to consolidate 3 low-speed branch lines that previously traversed and impacted many communities into a single low-impact, high-speed, high-capacity rail line. The corridor eliminates over 200 street-level crossings that caused traffic congestion along the pre-corridor rail lines, increases the speed of trains from 15 to 40 miles per hour, and significantly reduces emissions from trucks, a key objective as both ports adopted their Clean Air Action Plan to reduce the environmental impacts of cargo operations. A single train serving the ports eliminates 750 truck trips from local surface streets and freeways. With 30 train movements per day, the corridor eliminates more than 7 million truck trips from community roadways and regional freeways, thereby reducing congestion, roadway wear, and emissions. The 20-mile rail expressway has 3 parallel tracks that can carry several 2 to 3 mile long trains simultaneously. When operating at full capacity, it can handle up to 150 double-stack trains each day. The Alameda Corridor is an eco-friendly transport option that eliminates truck trips, improves freeway congestion, and reduces emissions and other contaminants to improve regional air and water quality. The corridor can be described as 3 segments. Starting at the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach, the South Corridor stretches approximately 7 miles from the ports to the SR 91 freeway in Compton, where the Alameda Corridor descends into the 10-mile-long Mid-Corridor Trench. The Mid-Corridor Trench is a key feature of the corridor. The trench is 10 miles long, 33 feet deep, and 50 feet wide, running adjacent to Alameda Street. With 3 parallel mainline tracks fully below grade in the trench, it passes beneath street traffic traveling through Los Angeles, Vernon, Huntington Park, Southgate, Linwood, and Compton, causing no interference to community traffic flows. This has allowed these communities to develop new and affordable housing with reduced noise, 2 new shopping malls that offer communities convenient shopping, 2 new high schools, public transportation with improved on-time performance, better traffic flow, and better emergency services response time. The trench is also out of sight, and construction was coordinated with each city to minimize impacts to adjacent businesses and incorporate aesthetic architectural features. The north end of the corridor begins where cargo trains emerge from the Mid-Corridor Trench at the Union Pacific J-Yard and continues eastward to the Transcontinental Rail Line through an area with complex coordination of industrial development, roadways, and commuter rail lines, and continues eastward towards the Transcontinental Rail Lines. With cargo volume continuing to grow at both ports to meet our nation's increasing demands, and with new technology making it possible to build longer and longer trains, improvements and enhancements to the Alameda Corridor are constant. That is why, since the corridor opened on April 15, 2002, additional construction projects have been undertaken to further help the region efficiently handle cargo and relieve stress on the environment. The ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach serve as a vital economic engine to our region and the country, and they have proven to be progressive environmental stewards of our community and the earth. The Alameda Corridor Transportation Authority is integral to enabling the ports to move cargo efficiently, reliably, and with significantly reduced impact to the surrounding communities. The Alameda Corridor, connecting the ports to the nation.